yeah. Sorry about that shirt. Well, I would say demonetize me, but I'm not getting paid right now, so that's stupid. Hey guys, so I am going to be showing you the Dysfunctional Dolls mystery bag. I ended up getting a male and a female so you guys can see what's in them. I think right now they are doing a 20% off. Maybe their whole site-wide, I'm not sure, but I'll leave the link below. I've done I think 2 other one of these and they're doing pretty well on my channel. But basically it is a gothic. I always try to get these around Halloween time because they throw in some really fun, like spooky, not spooky, but like bat stuff, like just stuff that you want to wear around Halloween unless you're generally like that on a daily basis, then this is a great website for you. But let's go ahead and start with the female first. Okay, so they always come with a Gothic Beauty magazine, which is really cool. Look at the back of that artwork. That's really cute. But it has a lot of fun, like, really cool ideas and makeup and movies and stuff like that. So this is always really cool. Okay. They do give you a lot of stuff. I believe they're $29.99. I'm not sure, unless they're originally $39.99. But again, you get like 20% off. They always have deals, so go check them out. But let's get started. Okay, so they do come with a t-shirt. You can pick your size and they'll give you a shirt. So here it is, wrapped up. I don't know what's on it. Let's take a look. Oh, it's a tank top. Oh, that's cute. It says Gothic. This is a size extra large, I believe. Yes. So, there it is. Very cute. It's great quality too. I like that. Definitely wearing that one. Okay, next item is, I think this is a bracelet. Now it does have a pentagon on it, which I am not a fan of. So that's the only thing I don't really care for. But it's a really nice quality. Very heavy, very thick. You know. The only thing I would say is if you're not into that kind of stuff, I would tell Dysfunctional Dolls not to provide these kinds of things if they're not really like that into pentagons and stuff like that. But either way, like I said, really good quality. It feels like leather, like it's strong, but very cool. And I have people that love this stuff, so I definitely will give that away. The next thing we have is this stripy thing. I think it's a tie. Oh, cute. That is really cute. It is very good quality too. It's 100% polyester and it's handmade. That's what the tag says right there. Doesn't say it's from China or anything, but that's cute. Yes, cute. Oh my god, I love. This reminds me of like Avril Lavigne. Okay, the next item is some red fishnet gloves. Those are always fun. Of course you get a pair, so one for each hand. But that's really good. He's actually worked for me when face painting, because they make a really cool design. So I probably wouldn't wear them, but I'd probably definitely use them for something else. Okay, so this is actually, it says $34.99, but I know I paid a discount on that, so definitely worth it. One more bracelet. It looks like a centipede. That's actually really cool. And it moves. Whoa, look at it, like actually jiggles. That's really nice. And it's very, this one's like more lightweight. It's got like the ribbon braiding band, but it's still really good quality. Like, it's got a heaviness to it too as well, but that's really fun. And typically they will throw in some items, a shirt, a magazine, and then they usually like throw in a bag of jewelry, so we'll get into that. Okay, so the bag of jewelry. The first one is skeleton. Oh, it's a bracelet. That's fun. He's like chained up. So it's like bones. That's really cute. And like I said, 34 bucks. I think that's the normal deal. And the quality of this stuff is way, I'm sure it's, so like the shirts alone are like $10 to $20 just on their own, and then they throw in a bunch of really great jewelry. I'm sure some of them look cheap and some aren't, but either way, like, where are you gonna find something like that? You know what I'm saying? So let's keep going. Okay, oh, so this one's got a little bit of girth to it. It's heavy, very heavy. So it's really good quality, and it is a cross. That's really nice, actually, and I like silver, but, and it fits right over the head. Nice. Cute. I like that. Okay, we got 3 more items. A pair of earrings, which are spiders with diamonds on them. I don't know if you guys can see that. Those are cute. I don't want to, I mean, I have pierced ears, but I rarely wear them now. So I can only imagine if they're plugged up, but for that, I would totally. Look how cute those are. Oh my god, I so want to like punch them through my ears right now. I'm totally going to. I tried, and the back of my hole is a little bit closed, but these don't have like a point at the end to push through, so I'm gonna have to find a different pair of earrings. But I am still wearing those. Oh, and another pair of earrings. I like Kiss. They are lips with a tongue hanging out. Those are fun too. Alright, last item for the girl bag is another necklace, and again heavy, and it's silver, and another cross with a emerald gem in the center. That's really nice too, and I like that they're long. That's really cute. Yeah, I like that. Very cool. Alright guys, so that's the girl bag. Let's go ahead and open the bowl. Alright, now this one is like way heavier, so I don't know what they threw in here, but let's get started. Actually, they have a magazine. Is it a different one? It is. Goth Beauty again, but the back is different. So, different magazine, which means different stuff to read, so that's cool. 2 different magazines, you didn't get the same one. Alright, their shirt looks like. This is in a 2X. And let's see what it is. Oh god. I don't think I can show this. What does it even say? Well, it shows. Yeah, I don't know. It's like a shirt. Okay, I'll explain it because I'm not fucking showing this. It's something about masturbation, and let's just say there's boobs and a penis on it. So, and a nun. Like how? Oh, well. I didn't even see the back. That is not cool. No. Okay, definitely not a shirt that I will be wearing or associating with it all. So, yeah, I don't know what to do with that one. Yeah, well, okay. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so this is a necklace, again, with a pentagon on it. I'm not a fan of that. Like, I love my Jesus, so, wings with the pentagon. It is nice. It is heavy. Great quality. But I would just inform them not to provide, like, in stuff about not liking God. I don't know what to say about that. Okay. We have a, I don't even know what that says, but it's a patch. So if you know what that says, and maybe it's offensive, I have no idea. I don't know. Okay, so far, yeah. Okay, we have a nail thingy. Okay, do people really wear these things? That thing's like incredible, but it's heavy. Like, for 30 bucks, like, you're getting some good stuff. But I don't know what I would, maybe scratch somebody with it. I don't know, but okay. Okay, next item is a necklace, and it's a bullet, which is kind of cool. Bullet. That's very cool. It's very long, so very manly. I like that. That one's actually kind of cool. Like, that one is cool. And it's heavy as well. Like, these are really good quality. Okay, next. Now this one I've actually gotten in a previous bag. It is very heavy. Like, you could friggin' knock somebody out with this thing. And it's just skull cross upside down with ruby gems in it. And a really nice chain. Like, it is heavy. Like, can you hear that? Like, I would hurt myself with this for sure. But that's great. Okay, got the same bracelet in the last one with the pentagon, and it's a wristband. So 2 of those, that's fine. And then what is this? Oh, wallet. Oh, that's kind of cool for a man. It is a spiderweb wallet. It's the Velcro. Oh, it has, oh, it's a chain. That's really nice that it comes with an actual chain. But it has all the pockets, the normal wallet. But that's really nice. I like that. Very cute. Okay, last item I have is a tie. This one's really cool too. It is a skull tie. It's a thinner one. That's really fun. Oh my god, my fiance will love these. If he ever has to go to a wedding, he would totally wear this. But okay, so that's the man. I mean, it's really heavy. I would say probably about the same amount of items. You get a little bit more jewelry, like girly jewelry in the other one. And yeah. Sorry about that shirt. Well, I would say demonetize me, but I'm not getting paid right now, so that's stupid. Anyway, so that's it. I hope you guys liked. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, maybe anything that you liked about it, or if you have any questions. But again, the link is below. I think it is 20% off right now, and these are always great items around the, for me, the Halloween time, but not on a daily. But okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Talk to you later. Bye.